hope you're having a great summer. I went yesterday for some gardening shopping. Basically, I need to change the pots of my plants. For example, I need to change this and put this in a pot. I need to change this plant to a bigger pot. As you can see, the leaves are turning yellow and it needs a bigger pot. I also bought a big pack of soil. Hope it's enough. And I bought some tomato plants. I'm gonna just plant it right over that edge. But anyway, first we have to clean the garden. As you see, the grass is already so big. Sky looks so nice and sunny today. I'm sure today is not gonna rain. Let's hope for that. It is a bit cold though, even though it's sunny. Sometimes it's really windy and gets cold. I've already planted some flowers last October. I want to show you they are already growing this spring. This is a beautiful common jasmine flower, which I love this type of jasmine. It just reminds me of my childhood. We had a big tree of this jasmine flower. So I finally found one and I ordered it last October. And as you see, it's already started flowering. This is some kind of a wild flower which was so beautiful. It started flowering in spring. Now it's start getting dry. So I did not remove this one because I just love the way the flowers look. This is my little vine tree. It's so small, it's almost lost in between, but I need to just clear up around it and it's already started to give leaves. I'm so excited about it. And this is my little English ivy, which I love it because it has two colors in it, and I can't wait this to grow and fill up this wooden wall. Oh my god, look at this little ladybug. The garden is full of them. I love them. It's just they're reminding me of my childhood. Look at this, another wild flower which just grows in my garden. I just love it and I did not remove it. I just wanted to see what kind of flower it's giving, and look at these beautiful flowers. I don't know the name of this flower in English, so if you know, you can comment it. And also these little tiny wildflowers, I just left them to grow. And this is my mint. It's just growing like crazy and I'm so happy because I want them to fill the garden. I just started to put one stem of the mint, which I got it from the supermarket, in the water, and then it started to give roots, and then I planted it in the winter, and now look at it, it's so big. And these are my lavenders. I love lavender smell, so I just bought them this summer and planted them into the bigger pot. These are another type of lavender I bought, and I have to just change their pot. This is also a little plastic garden house. I just bought it temporarily because this is a rented house and I did not want to spend so much money on a rented house. So I could go and buy the wooden one, which is much nicer and more sturdy. But, you know, if it was our own house, I would definitely do something much better for it. So I think this is good enough for a rented house. It just does what I need. Alright, now we have to just trim the edges. I just bought something very basic to trim the edges. As I said, I didn't want to spend much money, so let's go and do it. But before that, I'm so tired. Let's go to my kitchen and let's make some nice tea and have a break. This is something I bought ready from Tesco. It's quiche, it's onion and cheddar cheese. It's so yummy and it's so quick. You just put it in the microwave and it's ready in a few minutes. So I'm gonna have this today. And also I'm gonna make some hibiscus tea for myself. We have a lot of different kinds of tea. We have green tea, just English breakfast. We have all kind of flower tea. But today I want to go for hibiscus tea.
I saw you inside, it was a cold winter night. You show like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here, holding back tears and fears. You're just my type. As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been to make this moment go wrong. I'll drink another drink, so I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm haze in my eyes, but still these thoughts in my mind, justifying the solace when I want you to be mine. The king of overthinking sure doesn't wanna think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said I'm loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm
Almost there. Oh my god, it was so difficult. My back was start paining so much. But anyway, it's done.
Kissing in the front of my car, under the stars. I want you to know I'll take this love slow. How did you get so cool? I'm just a fool, falling for you. Don't wanna let you go. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this day.
Okay, now it's all ready to plant all my plants, whatever that I bought. So let me show you. I bought some kind of different type of tomatoes. As you can see, this is a grafted tomato. This one is a traditional type of a tomato. And I got this one, so hopefully I can use it for some salads. I bought some pepper plants also to grow. There are 3 types. They are very funny types. This is a chocolate pepper. I've never seen it before. And these 2 also, I bought it, later I can use it for some food aroma or for couple. My parrot, he loves it.
We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this place. And now I want you to know I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow. my side, under the pines, we never wanna go. I'll take this love slow. Lazing in the afternoon, in your room, turn the lights down low. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas.
Since today was sunny, I decided to dry some laundry outside, just like my childhood when my mom and my grandma used to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys take care.
I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow, 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 slow. I'll take this love slow, 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 slow. We got so many